In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this circle morph transition. So now, starting with a blank slide, right-click the background, click on Format Background, change the fill to Picture or Texture Fill, and insert the picture source that you desire. Now, once you've got your background in your slide, zoom out by holding down Control and scrolling down. Then go to Insert, Shapes, and add an oval, but while adding it, hold down Shift so it becomes a circle. Now this oval needs to be slightly larger than the slide itself, but not too much. Now once you have the circle ready, go ahead and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, then position it again at the same place. Now scale it down while holding down Ctrl and Shift simultaneously to scale it uniformly. Now duplicate this circle once again and position it in the center the same way. And once again, make it smaller while holding down Ctrl and Shift. Now once you have these three circles ready, select all of them, right-click, and click on Format Object, then change the fill to Slide Background Fill. Then open Line and change the line color to white and change the transparency 50%. Now go ahead and duplicate the slide and change the background by right-clicking the background and click on Format Background and insert your new picture source. Now once you've added your new background, select the circles one by one and rotate them by a random amount. Now you may repeat this step as many times as you need to get as many slides as you require. Now once you've created all of these slides, select all of these slides, go to Transitions and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.